Hey,
Hey, how's it going?
it's good. How's it going for you?
Pretty good.
Good.
Mm,
Think you guys are gonna show up today? Oh yeah, I was gonna ask, so when is the data collecting due?
Oh, it's due Saturday.
Okay.
So I looked at like the paper we have to fill out. That's the
Yeah.
one where we each do it individually.
Yeah.
So I don't think it'll be like I think I'm gonna try and do the surveys Friday for me. But like on the paper it's like you just have to write like a paragraph about what all this means and
Okay.
like describe it and then make like a graph of it. So hopefully it's not too bad.
Okay. Hmm.
What's in there? And I don't know, do you have the document that has what we're asking people? Like the one we filled out?
Isn't that what we filled out together? So I guess I don't have it then, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I can, I'll probably email it to you and Aaron. And I emailed it to Austin a while ago because he wasn't there.
Yeah.
That way you guys have it.
Definitely send it. I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow.
Mm. Guess we can start.
Okay.
I sent the invite again.
Do you have the quiz open?
Yeah.
Okay. For number 3, isn't it 2.0?
What is the Y? I
Or is it no, it's the other one.
I remember where I wrote that. Y-intercept is, yeah, the first one, so it's 2.0.
Do we put X? No, we just put the 1.5, right?
For what is the slope? Yeah, the slope is B1, which is 1.5.
Okay. What is the predicted value of Y when
We just have
solve it?
to plug it in.
Algebra I can do.
Yeah.
Is it 1?
0.25 times. I got one.
Okay. So 6. Make a scatter plot of the math efficacy. Okay.
Oh, trying to remember.
Is it in the
Do we have an?
inference one?
I
Oh,
think.
is it the first one that we had, right?
Oh wait, I think it in the one that we'll be using, like the linear regression. I think it includes a scatter plot.
Gotcha.
That's nice. So do we just plug in the score and then the confidence rating?
I think so. I'm just waiting for mine to load.
Okay.
Is someone trying to come into our group? Oh, you sent an invite to me. I'm just gonna exit out of that.
Oh.
Coming. Is it in the inferences? I forgot.
The scatter plot? It's in, yeah, the inference one. Hey.
Did you plug it in already?
Yeah. What's the first question? So make the scatter plot which shape best. Okay. So I plugged it in and I guess it looks like a hot dog. Okay.
I'm almost there.
Yeah, I don't think it just kind of looks like a
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it would be like I think it would be a hot dog because I feel like
Thinner than a hamburger. So.
yeah, I feel like the hamburger would be like a circle blob. I don't think it's.
Oh yeah, so I'm fine. I found it. It looks like a hot dog. In the
Because I don't remember that.
Yeah, it looks like a hot dog.
What can you say about the? It's appropriate. I remember it said if it's the scatter plot is like curve, then it's not appropriate to conduct it. But I think if it's like that, it's fine.
The hamburger and the banana shape would not be appropriate.
Yeah.
It is appropriate.
Where does it say the like how many observations? I don't even know. Would it be the what's that one thing that we used in other ones where it was all the -1? I think.
I don't know either.
I don't think it's.
I'm trying to find the answer.
How many
Observations. Observation. Observations. B. My stomach is growling at me. Would it be X? I'm just looking.
X is, or would it be? X was like, because in one of the examples it was like, X would be like if they're, it was talking about like power boats, and if like 100 or 850 power boats were registered, then X is 850. So maybe that is how many observations there are. I'm not sure what like observations, what that's asking. The plugin that I think we have to
Plug it in.
plug in X. I don't think it gives it to us. Because I think mine was 6 before I plugged in the new stuff.
Oh, this
6 before the new stuff? Mine's still oh.
What's yours for X?
Yeah. I don't know what that is then. Never mind.
Is yours for X, is it 6 too, or is it something different?
It says 6 too. But
Maybe it is 6.
okay. I'm seeing if in the video it's anything about observation. Through it real fast.
And then
y-intercept slope.
oh wait, so the y-intercept is the first B, right? Yeah, that's 1.296, I think. It says like y-intercept, and then
Oh. I can't find anything about observation in this. Oh well.
I think it might be X, but I'm not sure. I put 6 for now.
6 for now.
Yeah.
So y-intercept would be
It's the one under B.
oh gotcha.
Yeah.
So the 1.296.
Mhm.
I see it now. Be the 0.042.
So if X is 4, the predicted value is
1.464.
1.462. I plugged in 4 into X.
4 times 0.042.
Oh, so like in the reading, are you trying to do it by hand?
Oh yeah.
It works.
Okay.
They just use the Excel thing because yeah, if you plug in 4 into X, and then right next to it, it's the predicted.
Oh, so if you plug in 4 for X, 1.462. Sometimes I think it's easier to do by hand, but that's good too. Okay. The
What
confidence
number are you
data.
guys on? Sorry.
Hey,
12 right now.
Okay.
Okay. The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale from 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x?
we can use the largest x value to find the. Is this about the same like thing that we're working on, or is it something different?
I think it's the same thing.
Oh, so it's the confidence was the second column, I think.
Yep, that's coefficients.
Oh,
There's like the coefficients, the t-score, p-value, confidence intervals, and then there's confidence and prediction in intervals.
yeah, because it's saying the confidence data, and then like in the math self-efficacy, it gives the confidence rating mean. So is it asking for? It's on a scale of 1 to 6. One's responses.
I don't know.
I don't know. Predicted value of y. For these values of x. How do we know what the largest x value? I don't know how to do this one.
Did you guys read the hint? It says,
Yeah.
You can plug in the largest value of x to find the largest predicted value of y.
What's the largest value of x though?
I don't know. So I'm on my phone. I don't even have the Excel sheet open. So I can open that up. That sucks. I'm not at the library today.
Okay.
I'm trying to look in the textbook and see what that kind of would mean.
So if it's
Well, I'm confused.
is it just
I just don't know where we would get the.
I don't remember reading any of yeah. I'm wondering if this is like a total guess, but so the largest value, or actually I still don't know how that would, if we plugged in, because x is the sample size, I think that's how many it gives us in the like math thing. So there's 140 people. But I don't know if that's like what x is. Or I guess would there be 139 because it's dark?
Yeah, I wish I knew.
Because then we could just plug in 139 for x, and that would give us y. I just don't know if that's what x is.
You-
Because it says
when I'm
the
looking at
observation.
it, looks like it's just like taking the largest from the graph.
The largest in the graph.
I don't know. I mean, looks like the largest x would be
100.
looks like 100.
Is that what it says in the text?
1 minute.
equation, y hat equals b naught plus b1 times x, and we can predict something. Okay, we can use, for instance, let's use the example of the body length of a crocodile when the head length is equal to 60 centimeters. If we use this equation that we got before, length of 60, put the 60 in for x, and solve for y or y hat, which is our predicted y, we would have a predicted body length. Okay, so if we, for instance, use this in Excel or SPSS, you would get a number of 441.332. If you did this on the calculator, you'd get a slightly different number, but it's fairly close.
If we're taking 6 as x, then do we just take the predicted from that? Because if they're doing a scale from 1 to 6, and if we're taking 6, the largest x, and then we put that in x, then it'll tell us in Excel the, right?
I'm gonna check something.
Does that make sense? But I have no idea what that would mean, so maybe I'm wrong.
I'm let me click on this.
Well, I don't know. That one I don't know. Come back to. Many explanatory present in simple linear. I think number 13 is 2. You think number 13 is 2?
I actually thought it was 1. Why do you think it's 2?
Because in the introduction to regression, it says simple linear regression is a model used to fit the line in data. This provides a powerful tool. And then in parentheses, it says data involving 2 variables.
For 14.
But
So-
this only says one independent variable. How many independent variables are there?
Oh, wouldn't it just be one?
Are we talking about in this example? I don't know.
Oh,
I don't
and then
think
I
so.
think
I
it's
think it's talking about
still
simple linear
one.
regression in general.
Because
Oh, now I see what you're saying. Okay. How many?
multiple regression is when there's more than one. Like it's
I see what you're saying now. I didn't see the explanatory part. Okay. I think
Would there
it's
be
one.
one?
I think it's one. And then one for 14 as well.
Yeah.
So the company wants to predict size of pack.
Is it the size of the hat? Because
So
it's
is the
variable being
the
did.
one to predict the size? I think it would be.
First one. Because dependent variables are the ones that like will change based on the
Yeah.
whatever they
I
test.
think it's the first one too.
So for the first one,
Did anybody figure out the observation?
Are you talking about 12?
Yeah, 8. I was talking about 8. But I don't know 12 either.
should we just see what it is when it's 6? And see if that's right.
I guess.
And then we can.
Like when you put X or when you put 6 in the Excel. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. And then see what the predicted number is.
Hey Julie, for number 6, did you get hot dog shape?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
pretty-
And for 7, did you get the last one? Simple linear regression
You
is
guys are
not
breaking
appropriate?
out. I can't hear you.
For question 6 or 7,
7,
what did you say? Put the first one.
first one.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
It said like in the text if it's curved, then it's not appropriate.
Okay. And we're still looking at 8.
Yeah. Well, we think 8 was 6, but we're not really sure if that's what it is. In the stuff for X, it said 6, so we don't know if that's what.
How many observations?
Riley, did you plug in 6?
On the Excel sheet
Yeah.
for X, I did because I don't know what else to do.
What did you get?
1.546 if we're just leaving the information, but I don't know. I don't know what else to do.
Here, I'll submit it just to see. Because, yeah, I don't know.
Well, we could do the same thing like we did last time. We don't have to all submit at the same time.
Yeah.
So,
So then we have more chances of getting it right.
we missed 12. The one we don't know how to do.
8.
Why did it say we missed 11? What did you get for 11?
The 1.462
Yeah, it says that that's wrong.
by hand.
I don't know, because I would have thought,
'Cause
because
when
like
I did it by hand, I got 1.464.
we could try it. I don't know.
Sure, that's what I got.
And this is annoying. We missed 10 too.
Yeah, I'll try that. What did we get for 8?
Wrong. And 9.
Oh my gosh.
I know. It was just in
And
the
9?
yeah, and those were just the ones that it gave us in the Excel. So I don't know why
9.
it's saying that we got them wrong.
What was your answer for 9?
I put 1.296.
That's weird.
So it's with what we have now. It's got 70%.
I don't like that.
What?
Okay. I said, I don't like that.
I know. I like it when it's
So what did you plug in for 12 then? The 1.546?
for 12. Yeah. So like I don't know how to figure out 12 and 8, but I don't know why we got 11, 10, and 9. I'm wondering, I think, do you want to try something and submit it? If we try putting, like if x is 139, I have no idea if that's right.
Well,
Because that's like how many, it's like the sample size. I think. Also, I messed up my Excel.
I'm trying to look and see what it would be. Y is in the second column. The regression coefficients are given in the table under the heading coefficients below the subheading B.
Yeah.
So those should be right.
I'm trying to see, and like,
Because in the textbook,
The-
it's showing that that's what it should be.
I'm looking, so in like the math Excel sheet, it says the sample size is 139. So would that be X? Because it's how many there are. Because like in the examples on the text, it says we would put like, if there are that many, it was talking about like power boats are registered. If there's 850, then for X we put 850. So I don't know if 100, because it's saying there's 139 students. Like it says that in the
Oh,
paragraph?
One sec. Never mind.
So if we tried that, I wonder if we would get it all right. If we put that in for x.
What are you talking about for 12? I was
Yeah.
looking at my own thing.
I think for all of the ones that we missed, like I'm looking in the Excel sheet that we opened with all the data,
Mm-hmm.
and in the paragraph to the side it says there's 139 students. So I'm wondering if that's what x is. Because like in the examples in the text it said if there are like that many votes, then that's what x is. Like I'm just gonna try that.
So if you did x as 139 is what you're saying?
Yeah.
If I plug that in for x, then the predicted would be 7.096.
Okay. I guess we can try it.
For 12?
I don't remember. I think so.
If it's for 12, it can't. I feel like it can't be more than 6
6?
because they can only give a rating between 1 and 6.
Oh. Okay, yeah, no, I plugged it all in from scratch and it still just gives us 6. So maybe I think it does just have to stay at 6. It's really confusing. Then if it's at 6, then I don't know why 1.546 is wrong.
It's the same reason I don't know why the y-intercept and the slope is wrong, because those are supposed to be.
Yeah, and even when we plugged in 4 for those ones, we still missed those ones.
1 minute.
I think. Oh. Emo. I really don't understand. Yeah, because I don't think we use this thing.
Hang on a minute. Is the explanatory variable the x or the y?
It's,
The explanatory is the x.
yeah. It says it in like the column.
Explanatory is the x.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I plugged the confidence for the y. Maybe we just need to switch those two columns.
Oh, we should try that.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Let's switch which one to put them in.
Like it says under like before question 6, it says be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable.
And we used it the other way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're probably doing it right.
Yeah. I'm glad you caught that.
Because yeah, usually we just plug it in wherever, but apparently this one's picky. So.
Okay.
Okay, so for the y-intercept, I got 18.690.
Okay. I see.
Holy moly. 18.690.
18.690 for the y-intercept.
For the y-intercept, right?
Yeah. Here, I just need to paste this one in.
18.
Are there 139 observations
I think
for question 8?
so. When x,
It said there's 139 students.
I'm talking about for question 11 because we got that wrong too, right?
Yeah.
So we put, if we put 4 under x, I got the predicted value is 69.469.
Wait, how come for question? So for 8, we need to put 139, 9.
139.
For 9, did you
Okay.
get 18.690?
Yeah, 18.690.
And then did you get 12.695 for the next one?
18.695 for 10.
12.695 for 10.
12.695.
That's what I got at least.
So 9 is 18.69. And 10 is 12.695.
Yep.
That's what I got.
And then
And then
12 is 6.
question 11 is asking for 4. So for question 11, did you get 469?
You mean 69.469?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I got it for 12.
What is it?
So plug in 6 for x and
Mhm.
then calculate for y. And then what do you get?
Like the predicted, you mean? What are you saying?
I think just put in 6.
Or sorry, put in 6 for x.
And then we just get 94.859. Because last time it was wrong because we had the 2 columns switched, I think.
94.859.
What is the value of predicted value of y for these values of x? Maximum.
Did you already turn it in, Aaron?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was like, please don't turn it in if we don't know.
If we plug in 6, that's the highest value we can for x, so I think it should be right.
So
Yeah? Are we good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn it in.
Okay.
12.89. Okay. Yeah, say what we got.
Here we go. 100%, baby. Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Sweet.
I'm glad I caught that because I was so confused.
Yeah, that was really I was like, how the heck?
You guys good on all the answers?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got it all right. Did you? Oh yeah, you're doing it again, Julie.
What do we need to
Yeah.
do for the our project? Changing topic.
So
We
I
all have
sent-
to do our stuff.
it's the one that we do individually.
Yeah.
So each of us go to 3 buildings, and I'll send you the document that we filled out together to your
Okay.
email.
With all the questions.
Like the 2 questions that we're gonna ask everyone. Like, are you a student here? And it was like we decided 20 people in each building. And then like I read the document, we basically just have to fill in what our results are, what they mean, and like put in a graph.
Okay. Cool.
How many
It's
did we see for each building?
Yeah,
20 people in each building. I'm thinking 3
in each
buildings.
building. What buildings? Do we know which buildings are assigned? Is that in the document?
No, it's not in the document. But I
You should
sent like a
assign what
picture of the
buildings.
building.
Okay. Oh yeah, I got that. I
Yeah,
got that message.
yeah, because I don't really care what buildings I do. So I guess if you just pick what buildings, just text what buildings you're gonna do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really now.
Sounds good.
Different ones.
I'll just throw out right now. I live close to the snow building. I'll do the snow building. I'll do the Sporey building, and I'll do the Romney building. Is that cool?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll send that to the group text. And do we need to do this by a date? When's our deadline?
We would probably need to do it. Didn't you say before Saturday, Julie? So we're gonna
Do
probably.
Saturday.
Snap! I gotta do that tomorrow then.
Yeah,
Yep.
I think I'm gonna
Do we?
collect everything on Friday.
I'll do that tomorrow. Could you send that to my email tonight,
I guess I
Julia?
could do the Benson, the Ricks, and the
I can send
I
it
don't know.
tonight.
Thanks.
the STC.
Yeah, I think just when you pick, just text it. That way I don't do this.
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome. Sounds good. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.
See ya.